Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
This is 3135 at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. It is an angled terrace suite. So one of the round rooms, you can't book these ones, they get assigned, you get invited by the host. First in the door, got a half bathroom. And then larger room with the angle. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, fridges. The one you don't touch anything in, you all know the rules. Couple drawers, and then Cosmo fridge for you and whatever you desire. Huge wardrobe, goes all the way back in these ones. Safe, very nice. Seating area, get a little armchair and the TV in here. You've got the bed, all the sockets, all the details, all the bits and bobs, and the chaise, what a chaise from the sofa, who knows. And then yeah, it is the Japanese bathroom, but a lot larger. So double vanity, the Japanese, but the shower is off to the side of here, and huge, which is great. Then you've got your private little room, you've got your door, and then in this one, you get another wardrobe in here as well, which is fab. The balcony is vast. It's not a wraparound, but it is angled towards the fountains. We are on the 31st. So yeah, it goes all the way over there. Back into the bathroom. And then that's the view. See the sphere through the middle. Again, you've got your sofa over this end. But yeah, very happy. Ramil sorted us out in reception.